Do you want to know how you can generate photos using Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate photos using Starry AI. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click Create. Now click on Photos. You can generate high quality realistic images for your next project. Now click on Photos and you can see that this has been selected over here. Go ahead and delete it, so no creations will be shown over here right now. Go ahead and click on random prompt if you want, or else you can just see that you need to create a photo of good quality, so you can go ahead and select this and delete it, and you can write your own prompt. For now I will just randomize a prompt, and then you can go to style and you can choose the style. Now go ahead and choose which one you want, and then you can start image also, so you can go ahead and select the start image and it will come according to the image too. If you change the canvas size, and then you can click generate. Wait for a while and Starry AI will give you a photo which will be world class, and of course it's AI, but you will be amazed. So as you have written the prompt over here, the photo will come out as the prompt. I hope this video about how you can generate photos in Starry AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.